Hi, today I'm ready for NOKIA C12 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to network and internet section. Here you'll see internet section, tap on it, and to activate Wi-Fi and to turn it off we should use this switcher. After that you'll see here the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. To see the password, click to show password checkbox. Then tap to connect. Wait a second and now we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could connect to the network. Just first open the control panel, find here Wi-Fi icon, and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click on this icon. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.